Routine. A morning routine can help set the tone for the rest of the day. Here's an example of a morning routine. First, I wake up and stretch my arms and legs. Then, I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Next, I take a shower and get dressed for the day. After that, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually have toast and jam, cereal or eggs with orange juice. Then, I pack my bag with everything I need for the day, such as my phone, keys, and wallet. Finally, I leave my house and go to work or school. Here are some common vocabulary words and phrases related to a morning routine. Wake up. To stop sleeping and become conscious, it is when you wake up after a night's sleep. Stretch. To extend your arms, legs, or body in order to relax or loosen up. Get out of bed. To physically leave the bed and stand up. Bathroom. A room used for personal hygiene, such as brushing teeth, washing face, or taking a shower. Brush teeth. To clean teeth using a toothbrush and toothpaste. Wash face. To clean your face with water and soap or face wash. Take a shower. To wash your body with water and soap or shower gel. Get dressed. To put on clothing for the day. Breakfast. The first meal of the day, usually eaten in the morning. Toast. Slices of bread that have been heated to a crispy texture. Jam. A sweet spread made from fruit and sugar. Cereal. A breakfast food made from grains, usually eaten with milk. Eggs. A common breakfast food that can be boiled, scrambled, or fried. Orange juice. A juice made from oranges. Pack. To put items into a bag or container to take with you. Leave. To exit a location or place. Habit. A regular behavior or routine that is repeated frequently. Daily. Happening or occurring every day. Weekly. Something that happens once a week, so it's happening or occurring once a week. Monthly. Happening or occurring once a month. Yearly. Something that happens or occurs once a year. Morning routine. A set of behaviors or activities that are regularly performed each morning, which can be brushing your teeth, having a shower, eating your breakfast, going for a jog or to the gym, doing some meditation, and going to work. Evening routine. A set of behaviors or activities that are regularly performed each evening, which can be working on a side hustle, or going to the garden, or playing tennis, or meeting a friend. Exercise. Physical activity that is done regularly to improve health and fitness. Reading. The activity of looking at and understanding written words. Watching TV. The activity of watching television programs or movies. Cooking. The activity of preparing and making food. Cleaning. The activity of making something free from dirt, dust, or clutter, Clutter usually means a mess. When you have your entire house all over the place, where you have things spread across the house, you might say, "It's a clutter here." Drinking, the activity of taking liquid into the body through the mouth. Smoking, the activity of inhaling and exhaling smoke from a cigarette, pipe, or other tobacco product. A short story on a routine and habits of a person. Once upon a time, there was a man named Jack who lived in a small town. Jack had a very strict routine and followed it every day. Every morning, Jack would wake up at 6 o'clock and go for a jog around the park. He would then come back home, take a shower, and get dressed for work. Jack worked in a bank, and he was always punctual. He would leave the house at 8 o'clock and walk to the bank, which was just a few blocks away. At work, Jack would have his morning coffee and start his day by checking emails and making a to-do list. He would then attend meetings and work on various tasks until it was time for lunch. During his lunch break, Jack would either bring a homemade sandwich or go out to a nearby restaurant to grab a quick bite. After lunch, he would continue working until it was time to go home. Once he was back home, Jack would spend some time reading a book or watching TV. He would also make himself a cup of tea and have a light snack. In the evening, he would go for a walk around the town and explore new places. Finally, at around 10 o'clock, Jack would call it a night and go to bed, ready to start his routine all over again the next day. Jack's routine was very important to him as it kept him organized and productive. His habits helped him maintain a healthy and balanced lifestyle.